So today's July 23rd. We have the world's best mulberry here. It's usually frost tender, meaning if you live somewhere with a late frost like us here in Washington, all the fruiting bud can die off. So I'm not sure if this will be good or not good for our area as something reliable as other mulberries that I've growing, but the fruit looks very interesting, and I wanted to see if it's actually the best in terms of flavor, and I think that has to do with your location. So sometimes this is world's best according to Bryce, who named it. I don't know, I don't remember what state he lives in, but not Washington. So we'll see how this does. Looks very, very pretty. Off the bat, it does not look like my other mulberries. It's quite productive for a young tree. Very pretty color. Ooh, tart and dry. So this variety would need a lot of time hanging on the tree to ripen. I don't think it is it does well for Washington. I think this does well for California. Sorry, my voice, I'm a little sick. Does well for like maybe Florida, California, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, something like that. But here it's quite dry, like it's not juicy. It's pretty, but the lack of juiciness, it's not there. It has more acidity than sweetness, and obviously to get that sweetness and more balance, it would require more heat. And we have a very off year here in Washington where we just had a 3-day heat wave, 106 degree, and our average temp is only 70 to 80 all year long. So even on a hot day like this is a very good summer for us. We're at 80, so that's really good, but this is not coming to flavor. So it could be the tree's still young. We'll give it more time, but it's not world's best. So I think the name should be, you know, changed to be, you know, something more like the best for a certain state. That would be more correct, or the best for a really hot, dry climate, instead of the world's best, because that would imply in other colder climate or cool short seasons like here in the Pacific Northwest, we will be disappointed in that sense.